treat of unique place for Goenkar, Sadir Cultural Association Donapal has come up with number of plays showcasing renowned writers and actors in the state. The festival will be held at Kala Academy from 8th to 10th February.
So this play for 20 years we just survived so many Sandys or hurricanes. And why did it survive? What was so special about Gashina? What was the attitude of the playwright, the director? And how one play could hold a group together for about 20 years, the original. And हे नाटक आमच्याकडे असल्यामुळे, though amateur group, we didn't have to beg anyone for any funds.
They are on the 8th, 9th and 10th, Friday, Saturday, Sunday at Goa Kala Academy. We begin with Rahul Deshpande's Katyar Karzad Phusli. It is a musical. The following day, 9th, we will be doing Broken Images by Shabana Azmi. 10th is again by Rahul Deshpande, Sangeet Saushay Kallor in the evening as a musical, and that is the closing. On the 10th, Sunday, at ESG, which is the only one which is not at Kala Academy, is Dr. Mohan Agashe presenting Memories of Ghashiram Kotwal, 40 years.
Reporter Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Now news from sports. Prohibited substances can get into the bodies of athletes or sportspersons through routine medications prescribed by doctors. The latest sportsperson to face this shock treatment is Taekwondo star Chandan Lakra. The winner of gold medal at last Lusophonia Games, Lakra will have to watch from the sidelines rather than compete in the next 2 years as the National Anti-Doping Agency has banned him. Such a problem can be avoided if sportspersons keep themselves updated with the prohibited substances list.
Goa's Taekwondo star and Lusophonia Games gold medal hope Chandan Lakra has been handed a 2-year ban. Taekwondo Association of Goa President Raju Mangeshkar feels Lakra is innocent.
But unfortunately, when he was to participate in 30th National in Delhi, Senior National, before going to that participation, he was under the camp, and he fell sick for almost 7-8 days prior to the departure of the team. And Chandan Lakra had taken medicine. He was admitted in hospital for 1 to 3 days. He had the problem of the throat infection also at the same time. And he was treated by a doctor from Ponda. And when he participated in the national, he was a gold medal winner. So as usual, he always used to go for the test. It was shock not only to me as a president of the Taekwondo Association of Goa, but even Taekwondo Federation of India, because he is one of the very disciplined player of the Taekwondo team representing the country also. I still support, as a morally head of this organization, I support him fully, because if a player is a drug addict, then I know that I will have to ask him to come out of that or leave the game. But Chandan Lakra is a player who was unfortunate. He was not knowing also that this thing is going to happen, because he has taken some medicine which was prescribed to him by the doctor.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.